How to delete your email account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your email account. Now basically your email account is associated with your Google account, right? So first things first, if that account is signed in on your device, you can head into your settings and then you want to head into the Google option here. Once on Google, you want to select the particular account that your email account is associated with. Simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, you want to tap on manage your Google account option. Now here you want to head into data and privacy option and then scroll down to the data of apps and services that you use. You can see data from apps and services that you use. You want to tap on content saved from Google services, and now from here you want to select delete a service option. From here again tap on delete a Google service, then continue with your passkey here. Here it'll show up the list of services that you use using your Google account. So your Gmail, if you have email as well, it'll show up here. You can see my Gmail here. So you'll find the email option as well. You'll find the trash icon beside it. You can simply tap on it and then it'll ask you for verification. Once you verify it, you'll be able to delete it. So this way you can delete your email account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.